Let's make a Starburst granny square. I'm using a cotton blend from Scapius and a 3.5mm hook. I'm going to start with a magic circle, chain one single crochet, and another single crochet. So that's actually a stacked single crochet. That's going to be my first double crochet. And now I'm going to make 15 more in the magic circle to make a total of 16 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to slip stitch to that first stacked single crochet, and we're going to tighten our magic ring. And there is our first round. Onto row 2 is the puff stitch, and it's going to be again 16 puff stitches. So in order to start my puff stitch, I'm just going to go straight up, pull up my loop. Then I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull up a loop, pull it up nicely, yarn over, and pull up a loop. Then we're going to pull through all the loops on the hook, chain 1, chain 2. And now we're going to start our second puff. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. Pull through all the loops, and then pull through again, and chain 1. I'll show you one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull it up nice and high. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. And then we're going to pull through the first loop. So we're going to leave one loop there. Pull through again. Okay, one more time. Pull up a loop. And we're going to do 16 of these puff stitches till we get to the other side. I'll meet you at the other. So I've got my 16 puff stitches. I've chained 2 here, and now I'm going to join to this very first puff stitch. Now the next round is these clusters, and again there's 16, so that's easy enough to follow. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the next gap here. I'm going to single crochet 1 and chain 1. That's my first double crochet. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, and leave that. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through. And now I have four loops on my hook. I'm going to pull through all 4 and chain 2. I'm going to make another cluster. So yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now there's 5 loops on my hook, pull through all 5 and chain 2. Let's do it one more time. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through all the loops on the hook and chain 2. And now you're going to make 16 all the way around, and I will meet you here. So now I've come to the end of this row. I've chained 2, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the first cluster. And this is where I'm going to tie off this round. And I don't need that long of a tail because I'm just going to work this into the next round. So tie off and knot it off. And this is where, so I'm making my circles first, and then I will continue on to add on the border, and I'll show you how to do that next. So you have 16 clusters, which means that in each of the chain 2s is where we're gonna work our granny clusters. So 1 is going to be a corner, 3 are going to be the side, then you're going to have a corner, 3 sides, corner, 3 sides. That's why you have 16. So basically every 4 makes a side. So I'm going to start in the corner because I like to work corner to corner when I'm doing granny squares. I made a slip knot, and you can start anywhere, it doesn't matter whatsoever. And I'm going to work in this tail here so I don't have to work in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold my slip knot. I'm going to yarn over twice because my first is going to be 3 triple crochets. So I'm going to make 1, 2, and 3. And that's my first triple crochet. I'm having trouble here. There we go. And I've tried to work in that tail there. Now, yarn over twice. Here's my second. 1, 2, 3. And now my third. And this is the first part of this first corner. The next thing we're going to work into this next chain 2 gap is 3 double crochets, and you can see I just put the tail down. I'm going to work over that tail, so that's 3 double crochets. To make my side nice and flat, I'm going to make 3 half doubles here. 1, 2, 3, and then another 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. So that's my first side here, and now we've come to the second corner. We're going to do 3 triples, chain 2, and 3 more. So that's my second corner here. You see how pretty that is. And then in the next chain 2, I'm going to work my work 3 doubles. And you see, this is my tail here. I'm just going to leave it and work over it. So that's 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Then it's 3 half doubles. And then 3 more doubles. I find that that makes it a nicer square than if I were to do 3 doubles here. This just makes it straighter. So now we're back at the corner. I'm going to work 3 triples. Chain 2 and 3 more. Now we're at a third side. 3 doubles. 3 half doubles. 3 doubles. And we're back at a corner. 3 triples. 2. And we're onto the side. 3 doubles. 3 half doubles. And 3 more doubles. That makes our final side. Now we're going to finish off the first corner that we left open. With 3 triples. And now to finish this off, and if you want to work another round to make your square bigger, you make a double crochet. You're going to make a double crochet into this first triple, and that makes it so that you end up here in the middle of your corner, so it's easy for you to just start a single crochet. I'm going to make a stacked single crochet, and you can just continue on with making your double crochets to make a granny square. I'm just going to show you a little bit here of how you can do that. And that makes it so that you don't have an ugly join in the middle of your work. It's always in the corner, so it's kind of hidden. You can hardly see where I joined there, and that's how I join in the corners. But here is your Sunburst granny square all made. I hope you enjoy and make yours too. Thank you for watching.